Good morning. It is Tuesday, September the 15th. We're here in Orange Beach, Alabama, still waiting the landfall of Hurricane Sally. We are on the east side of where the eye wall is projected to make landfall on the Alabama-Mississippi border. But doing a little quick drive around to show you what's happening down here right now. Lots of wind, lots of rain, sheets of rain blowing sideways. Stay safe. Thank you for watching the videos, and I hope you enjoy. You probably won't be able to hear me once I get out, but I'm gonna get out here at the fish park here at Perdido Pass just to let you look at some of the waves, wind, and water, but it's gonna be pretty loud, so here we go. Starting to see some of the storm surge now. Strong wind coming in behind me, steady, strong. It's actually starting to push me a little bit. I'm going back to the truck now. And it does appear now with the stronger wind surges. Looks like they're considering closing the Perdido Pass bridge. I don't know if they're going to do it yet, but they do have a officer positioned there. I am back at the Cotton Bayou public boat ramp, and as you can see, the surge is actually pushing Cotton Bayou back up into the parking lot now. Again, it's about 20 minutes till 7, Tuesday, September the 15th. Winds are getting a little strong. I'm gonna go back home for a little while and hopefully come back out and get you another video shortly. And that's what we're looking like right now. It's 6:40 a.m. on Tuesday. A little bit of the storm surge coming in, lots of rain, steady little rain patches. Gonna get a lot worse today, a lot more rain, a lot more storm surge. The wind gusts are getting a little stronger now, so kind of dreading that part of it. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, and I hope you enjoy.